here it is, guys. It smells so good. And here is the first product. Let's look inside if what happening on it. Okay, so delicious and cheesy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's vlog, guys, let's cook chicken. This one is chicken meatballs, and my own version using this cheese, breadcrumbs, and the following seasoning. So do watch until end, guys, and I will share you my authentic recipe of chicken meatballs, crispy chicken meatballs, crispy outside, tender inside, with cheese. A very simple home cook or home recipe, not restaurant, but it's more delicious than restaurant. Okay, go watch until end, guys, and I will share you a simple recipe of crispy chicken meatballs. Okay, then sorry, my nose is running. My nose is runny because of pollen allergy. Okay, on this chicken I will put a breadcrumbs, roasted breadcrumbs. Okay, as at this moment I did not use potato, just only breadcrumbs. I don't have time to boil a potato or steam a potato, that's why I only use this. And our seasoning as usual, okay, black pepper and salt, my superpower seasoning. This one is black pepper and salt mixed in one. Okay, to taste and for aroma, that's why I put a lot. And for deep umami, as usual, I will always use the fish powder, fish powder seasoning for deep umami. Okay, I use two, and I use also a little bit of soy sauce, just only a little bit. And as usual, because we have meat, I use rice wine or sake. And on this part I use nutmeg powder. Not so much because my daughter don't like nutmeg, but I like nutmeg. And this one is basil, dried basil leaves. And I will use a paprika powder. Not so much because paprika powder is very, this one, guys, is 200 plus yen, a very small amount, but it's very expensive. And this one is onion. Okay, chisakupisande onion or naganegi. Then at this moment or at this point is I would like to mix it very proper. Okay, very. And before I would like to, this one is sesame oil because our chicken has no oil, so let's put a little bit, guys, to make the meat not too much hard. Okay, because the chicken meat, breast chicken meat is hard when you cook it. It's torn into hard. That's why we add a little bit of cooking oil or sesame oil for aroma. Then mix it all together in a proper way of mixing using your hand, so that the all ingredients and the meat would be mixed evenly. The seasoning, the meats, and the spices would be mixed evenly. Okay, sesame aroma is very perfect for chicken. And this one, guys, is the finished product after mixing it well. And you can use water or you can use oil. Me, I use oil. I prefer to use oil, guys, so that it's easy to format and to something like that. If you did not use a water or an oil, this one would be sticking in your hand. Okay, Tama ba English ko? Is that my English is right? Sticking in. Sorry guys, I'm not professional in English. Then on this part, let's put shredded uh, cheese or cut cheese. It's up to you. If what kind of cheese you are using, you want to use. And make it a bowl so that it's easy to fry, okay? Let's make this crispy, guys. Crispy outside and tender inside, okay? Something like that, okay? Then continue this process, guys, and let's watch until end, guys, and look if how it's delicious is this, okay? Cheesy inside and crispy outside. And keep watching, guys. So it's done, guys. A huge bowl. It seems like burger, but this is not burger, okay? And I have here tempura flour. I will add a water on it for coating. You can use egg if you would like, but for me I don't like. That's why I always use for my coating. Instead of using flour and egg, I will use tempura flour, okay? Before I coating it with the breadcrumbs, I put this one so that the breadcrumbs would be stick it into, okay? Something like this. This one is tempura flour, okay? Without coating and any flour on it, you can directly put this one on this, okay? So that the breadcrumbs would be stick it into that and cover it with breadcrumbs with caution, guys, because the meat is very soft, okay? Finished product. And continue this process. The shape is not matter, guys. That matter is home cook. Oh wow, this one is very delicious. This is my second time and my kids would like it. That's why I make a vlog, my own recipe. Make your own recipe and share it, guys, and I would like to know about that. If I could, I would copy paste your recipe. Different ingredients but same way of cooking, no problem. Cooking has no language barrier, okay? Continue this process, guys, before we frying it, because my both hand are getting dirty. Not dirty, but messy, okay? That's why I coated it in one so that I could wash my hand before frying it. And continue this process, guys. Watch on the. So guys, here's the finished product. And on the fry pan, let's put a cooking oil on it. My daughters are waiting for my finished product. She would like to eat while it's hot. And let's put, guys, the first. Wow. Smells so delicious. Perfect. And here it is, guys. It smells so good. And here is the first product. Let's look inside if what happening on it. Okay. So delicious and cheesy. Like mas. Perfect. The taste is deep umami. You can dip it into ketchup, guys, if you would like, or any sauce you would like. Perfect. Delicious. So here it is, guys, the finished product. And I would like to eat again. Wow. Wow, so cheesy inside. Dip it with ketchup. I like the taste. And the texture of the meat is good. Crispy outside and tender inside. Tender and cheesy. Look. Perfect, delicious. Better to eat it. It's hot. So guys, thanks for watching until end. And for those who are watching until end, good luck to your channel. I hope your channel will grow more. So until here, guys, thanks for watching. Until next recipe. Bye bye.